We just arrived to the Bandar Utama Damansara, one of the biggest residential area outside the Kuala Lumpur, just literally like maybe 10 minutes, because this is already Selangor, not the city center of the Kuala Lumpur, home to the one of the biggest mall in Malaysia, One Utama, which is very family friendly mall and the residential area in general. Also one of the best places to live in Malaysia in the area of Kuala Lumpur.
Damansara is the Malaysia's most upmarket residential zone where the rich and famous from celebrity as well as multinational company owners called home. The attraction of Damansara Heights is the exclusive composition of over 70% land usage on residential zoning, with the remaining 30% on commercial and education aspect. And out of 70%, more than 3/4 of it are high-end bungalows. Damansara Heights is a safe and exclusive suburb filled with eateries and convenience hangout spot for many wanting to experience the upmarket lifestyle.
Basically, it takes us around 20 minutes, from the Bukit Bintang to here, and it's very fast. Now we will go to One Utama Shopping Center. It is the biggest shopping center in Bandar Utama.
And we are just entering one of the biggest mall in Malaysia, One Utama, starting from Korean grocer supermarket. And let's see how big is it. Basically coming from the metro station, there is like a link like this one, connecting the metro station with the One Utama mall. And the link is actually very long. I don't know when we're gonna get actually to the actual mall. So this is the link, and this is the TikTok challenge, Utama, One Utama. Honey, but we don't have a TikTok yet.
No.
I mean, follow us on Instagram and subscribe for the YouTube, but we don't like TikTok for some reason. Sayang, you can buy your Ferrari here. This is what we potentially can afford only, by the way. Maybe. It's really so nice toys actually. And well, so many cafes like this one. This is only way to the mall, by the way. So basically, where is the Sports Direct? There is like another link, and here says Promenade Food Court Ground Floor. Maybe this one is the entrance to the mall. Entering Food Street by One Utama Shopping Center. Let's see what is here. Basically, if you are looking here, maybe mall doesn't look very huge because there's like so many alleys, but these alleys are like kilometers of walking. We are going to the garden somewhere now, but I have no idea actually where. There's many things to see, but it's like so much walking, that's for sure. Where we are, Sayang?
We are in the rainforest, but let's see what is it inside. Very nice. So it's green concept inside the mall, and this is just like the title, the rainforest. And this is the real plant, honey. And look at this one. And also they have a pond, koi pond.
Yeah, nice. Okay, where we are going now, Sayang?
Wow, there is aquarium here. Very nice. There are so many Malaysian tropical freshwater fish. Wow,
Like
look
this
at
one,
that.
huh? Nice. They're actually alive in the aquarium. And then you have a fish and chips place. You could eat them. Not
Don't
this
tell
one.
me that they take the fish from there.
No, definitely not. Just joking. Basically, huge mall. You have everything here what you want. It's just very hard to navigate where we are and what we are looking for. Honey, what are you looking here actually for, lah?
I look at the Instagram of One Utama Shopping Center about this Instagram spot. I asked so many people about this. I'm in the information center, and then finally I found it.
Okay, let's go. I can see already Chinese accent there. Meanwhile, they're also selling the BID electric cars here, which looks nice. And this is the mall. And this is where we actually came to see this village. Very nice for the Chinese New Year. And well, this is one of the main lobbies of the mall, I guess. Looks like this one.
So the Instagram is just like this. So cute from the top. And when we are here, it's just like this.
Instagram versus reality, huh? No, that's how it is. I'm sorry to say, but the pavilion have more decorations in
Yeah.
Bukit Bintang again, unfortunately. But yeah, this is like connected mall altogether. Is one of the biggest in Malaysia. It's maybe hard to believe as this is one of the biggest mall in Malaysia because all the malls, all the lobbies are connected to each other, and it's not like a huge in one place where you can see. That's why you could walk. We walking here like literally for half hour just to find this location.
This one is actually Treasures of Teochew Heritage, and this one inspired by the Guangji Bridge. I wanna go there and to make a picture. As we are here,
Yeah, sure. Looks like this one. Imitation, the copy of the bridge. Like this one, nice. So this is the One Utama Mall, the complex of malls actually. We are in the parking area actually. I'm gonna tell you guys, to be honest, it's big because it's so much walking all around. It's like a square shape, I could say. But you cannot feel it as it's big. You just feel on your legs as you are walking so much. But it's not that big as, I mean, the lobby of the Pavilions malls. So for that reason, I feel like Pavilions malls are better. Also, there will be Pavilion Mall in Damansara in the near future in this year. So maybe this one will be better. This one feels also a little bit old. And this is, of course, one of the biggest malls in Malaysia. However, as you can see, starting from behind me, going 360 degrees, there is Winny. And there is the also orange building. This is all the mall. I prefer the Pavilions malls on the other malls what I saw it, but I still wanna see the biggest mall in Malaysia, which is IOI in Putrajaya, which we were in Puchong, different mall. I wanna see now the proper one, the biggest one. Just please guys, let me know in the comment section as it looks as it's big, not like this one, because this one, to be honest, is definitely not my favorite one. However, I'm happy as I came and show you around. Now we're gonna show you the city park in Damansara, and we're gonna go somewhere into residential areas where are so many people around.
honey, is there any water lizard again or crocodile here?
I don't know, in Bukit Jalil, yeah. Here probably not sure,
But
probably
one
not.
thing, honey, when we were in Bukit Jalil, when we were in the city park there, it looks nice, well organized, more clean. But here, the city park in Bandar Utama, so many people bring dogs, but just watch out, maybe the dog shits around.
Anyways, this is the view of the One Utama one more time and the last time on today's occasion. And now we're gonna move to the Damansara Heights where are more expats living and maybe more action around, huh?
We just arrived in Damansara Heights. Damansara Heights is famous for the expats living in Kuala Lumpur or Malaysia. So just like behind me, there are so many fancy cars. Look at this. This is Lamborghini or something.
Yeah,
like that.
Lamborghini again. And check this out, check this out. Just next to us is Porsche 911, the old one, but still.
And over there, you see there are so many residency area for people. I can say is the wealthy people and also expat. They said mostly living here. And this road is called Jalan Medan Setia 2, if I'm not mistaken. And this area is famous for the restaurant, night bars, and yeah, let's see. Already some of the restaurant packed of the people.
So as you can see, many bars, many gastropubs, Lamborghinis as well. Well, the old one, but Lambo is Lambo no matter what year, right? Sometimes even older is better. 7-Eleven, and there is the Jarrod Rollings, a gastropub. Already at 7:25. Pretty busy with the expats actually, most likely here enjoying their time after work. Also so many nice restaurants everywhere around. Looking for the place for having a coffee right now. We can walk here like between the buildings, little bit like in Chinatown sometimes. Some pastry here, very quiet, cozy I could say. Well, it's also middle of the week and Damansara Heights like this one. Let's see what we can find here. And another bar here like this one. Check this out. Yo, what's up? And well, and over here, this one is I think Gravy Baby or something. Maybe you can grab the coffee like this one. They have a Starbucks, of course, some beef place and Mexican kitchen bar with the Chica Bonita or Chico Bonita, nice, and some other bars here. That's how it looks, the strip with the bars.
Like I told you, mostly I think that the office workers and then middle class and up people are enjoying the after work time there.
we're gonna stroll around the Damansara Heights. More and more we are walking here, and actually more and more very interesting bars and restaurants everywhere around. And this area is already looks a little bit better than the previous one, actually, at least for me personally, if you're asking for my personal opinion. And obviously, if you can see the brands like a Rockefeller's or Gravy Baby and few others, probably Hilly Max is somewhere here. That means this is great area for the expats, and many expats are actually here around because, well, as you can see, actually not that bad. Definitely not so wild, not maybe loud and wild like in Changkat in Bukit Bintang, but definitely very enjoyable, and you don't need to go actually anywhere if you are living in Damansara. And actually, as we mentioned at the beginning of today's video, in Damansara there is so many people living around, locals, but also so many expats. So, you know, one of the top 3 actually areas to living for expats, in case if you are interested to move to Malaysia for a longer while.
When we were on the way by bus, you know, we also saw so many, you know, beautiful housing complex around Damansara Heights. Okay, yes, beautiful. I mean, so many residency area. I think that the owners probably, you know, coming from the wealthy people in Damansara Heights.
As I said, many expats living actually, as you can see, actually just behind us right now. So we covered the Changkat and Bukit Bintang. We cover already Bangsar. Right now, Damansara and Damansara Heights. The last one left, this is Mount Kiara. We're gonna cover in this week, that's for sure. But for now, I don't know which one is better, which one is the most expensive one, which one is the most fancy one, and well, which one is your favorite one actually, which one is the most popular for the expats. I only know as the Mount Kiara is popular for the Asian expats, like Japanese, Korean. That's only what I know. So let's see next time. Now, let's have some coffee or some drink, yeah?
So we decided to stop in one restaurant or bar to have a pizza. Damian really wants to have a pizza. So yeah, this is it, the place. Actually, nice, cozy place. I think that this place also the same one when we were in Penang. So yeah, Damian knows what to order. So yeah, nice.
And of course, our favorite pizza in Malaysia, duck with the peach. Very nice. I really like in this place. Drink little bit of the Western life. We used to live in Bali like that. We still need at least once or twice a month go like that. Huh? But nice, but well, not so many people to compare to the other locations, right? Yeah. Okay, we're gonna enjoy it. This is very good. Highly recommended in Kuala Lumpur, by the way.
Pizza with the 2 drinks actually cost us around 87 ringgits. For the coffee, we just go to the Family Mart just next door to the restaurant. Cost us around 7 ringgit. Arrived home is around 11 already. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow, guys.